Find the perfect grip and precision with the best climbing shoes designed for performance and comfort. Engineered with superior traction, durable rubber soles, and snug fits, they enhance stability on any terrain. Whether bouldering or sport climbing, these shoes provide optimal support for every ascent. In this video, we recommend the 7 best climbing shoes, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. La Sportiva Men's Tarantulace Rock Climbing Shoes. The La Sportiva Men's Tarantulace Rock Climbing Shoes offer exceptional comfort, durability, and performance for both beginners and experienced climbers. Equipped with a quick-pull lacing harness, these shoes deliver a snug, precise fit, allowing for an adjustable and customized feel that wraps securely around the foot. The Fridazian RS rubber compound provides excellent grip and durability, ensuring strong traction on varied climbing surfaces, from rocks to indoor walls. A lined tongue helps manage moisture, keeping your feet dry and comfortable during extended climbs. An updated heel cup secures the heel in place, providing stability and preventing slippage while climbing. The quick-pull lacing system enables a perfect fit along the foot's length, offering exceptional support, fit, and comfort. With 2 heel pull tabs and a tongue tab, these shoes are easy to slip on and off, making them ideal for quick transitions. Overall, these climbing shoes are a fantastic choice for climbers seeking a reliable and comfortable fit, with features that enhance performance and longevity. Number 6. Black Diamond Equipment Momentum Climbing Shoes. The Black Diamond Equipment Momentum Climbing Shoes for women are designed for comfort, fit, and performance. With a snug fit, it's recommended to size up half a size for the best feel and comfort. The neutral, flat last design ensures comfort during vertical climbs and all-day wear, making them versatile for various climbing styles. A women's specific last offers a customized, more tailored fit that enhances overall comfort and performance. 2 Velcro straps provide adjustability, allowing for a secure fit while enabling easy on and off. The 4.3mm rubber is durable and molded for optimal consistency, delivering superior traction and performance. A soft flex midsole adds extra sensitivity, providing a better feel for the rock while maintaining comfort. These shoes combine functionality and comfort, making them a reliable choice for female climbers seeking high-performance footwear. Number 5. Ocun Striker QC Bouldering Shoe. The Ocun Striker QC Bouldering Shoe is a versatile option for climbers ranging from beginners to recreational athletes. Designed with a slightly asymmetrical shape, it's perfect for indoor, bouldering, and multi-pitch climbing. The neutral profile and generous big toe power point ensure a comfortable fit for most foot shapes, with a relaxed heel that helps keep toes stress-free. Intended to fit like your street shoe size, most climbers find it fits well with either their regular size or a half size up/down. The shoe features a strengthened rubber toe, vegan microfiber upper, and 2D medium stiffness midsole for added support during climbs. A quick Velcro closure system ensures a secure fit, while the padded tongue enhances comfort. The Untitled Last, focused on comfort, features an anatomically shaped heel and slight asymmetry for better performance. Built for durability and engineered for performance, Ocun Striker QC is an excellent option for climbers seeking both comfort and functionality. Number 4. SCARPA Instinct VSR Rock Climbing Shoes. The SCARPA Instinct VSR Rock Climbing Shoes are designed for sport climbing and bouldering, providing excellent performance and comfort. Available in EU size, they run small, so street shoe sizing is strongly recommended for the best fit. The VSR offers a less stiff design than the original Instinct VS, making it ideal for lighter climbers who prefer more flexibility. While many climbers size down for a performance fit, most VSR owners suggest sizing similar to your street shoe size or slightly larger, especially since the synthetic upper doesn't stretch much. Equipped with Vibram XS Grip 2 rubber, these shoes provide superior traction, offering a stiff yet sticky grip for any rock type and climbing style. A large rubber patch on the toe enhances toe hooks and bat hangs, giving you added coverage and support. These features combine to deliver a high-performance, versatile climbing shoe that's perfect for aggressive climbing styles. Number 3. EVOLV Phantom Rock Climbing Shoe. The EVOLV Phantom Rock Climbing Shoe is designed for aggressive sport climbing and bouldering on steep rock faces. With an aggressive downturn shape, it's engineered for optimal performance on small holds, providing maximum power and precision. Sized in EU 44.5, US size 11, the Phantom uses EVOLV's performance fit, meaning you should add 0.5 to 1 size to your street shoe size for a snug, supportive fit. The shoe is rated PSR 8, making it powerful for small holds and offering excellent edging performance. EVOLV's sizing system offers options for different foot volumes, with low volume, LV, for performance fits and medium volume, MV, for snug fits. With these features, the EVOLV Phantom is a top choice for climbers seeking high performance on demanding routes. Number 2. La Sportiva Women's Kubo Rock Climbing Shoes. The La Sportiva Women's Kubo Rock Climbing Shoes offer versatility and comfort for entry to mid-level climbers. The soft, unlined leather upper controls moisture for long-lasting comfort, and the cushioned tongue lined with wicking cotton manages moisture. With a subtle asymmetry and moderate downturn, the shoe positions the foot for power and precision. The integrated heel enhances heel hooking precision, while the toe patch rubber boosts durability. Vibram XS Edge rubber provides excellent friction and durability on various surfaces. The dual hook and loop closure system ensures a precise fit, and heel pull tabs offer easy on-off and carabiner attachment. Number 1. Butora Komet Climbing Shoe. The Butora Komet Climbing Shoe combines comfort and performance for climbers seeking a reliable shoe. The Italian suede upper ensures durability and a comfortable fit, while the neutral last accommodates various foot shapes. A 4.0mm Neo rubber sole provides soft friction and excellent grip on various surfaces, giving you the confidence to tackle challenging routes. The full-length ABS midsole adds structural integrity and enhances performance on small edges. With an asymmetrical shape that mirrors the natural foot shape, the Komet offers both comfort and precision. The quick hook and loop closure system and folding tongue make it easy to slip on and off. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.